Welcome to Sergio Creativity.
The social glue, essential communication. Welcome! Today, we aren't going to worry about grammar tables. We're going to learn the social glue of Finnish, the words that keep a conversation moving. In this method, there's no writing and no memorizing. If you need to think, just hit the pause button. Let's start with yes. There are two ways. The formal way is kyllä, but in the street, everyone says yo. Student, say yeah. Yo. Good. And the word for no is a. A. Now, let's imagine you are in a park and you meet someone. You want to be polite. Nice to meet you is kiva tavata. Kiva means nice, and tavata is to meet. Student, tell me nice to meet you. Kiva tavata. Perfect. Now, if someone says that to you, you want to say thanks, likewise. Thanks is kiitos. Likewise, or the same to you, is samoin. Student, how do you say thanks, likewise? Kiitos, samoin. Excellent. Now, let's talk about communication repairs. This is what you say when you get lost. The verb to understand is ymmärtää. To ask, do you understand, we add the question hook, k. Student, try to ask, do you understand? Ymmärrätkö? Correct. Now to say, I don't understand, we use the I don't word, which is en. Student, tell me, I don't understand. En ymmärrä. Perfect logic. Now, imagine a Finn is speaking to you way too fast. You need to ask them to speak slowly. Slowly is hitaasti. More slowly is hitaammin. Could you speak is voisitko puhua? Student, try to put it together. Could you speak more slowly? Voisitko puhua hitaammin? Brilliant. And if you need them to repeat it, could you repeat is voisitko toistaa? Voisitko toistaa? Now let's look at apologies. If you bump into someone at the market, you say sorry or excuse me, anteeksi. Student, say excuse me, anteeksi. If someone says anteeksi to you, you want to say it's nothing or no worries. In Finnish, this is ei se mitään, literally, it, not, that, anything. Student, try it's nothing. Ei se mitään. Very good. Now sometimes you don't know the answer. I don't know is en tiedä. In the street, people shorten this to en mä tiedä. Student, try the relaxed I don't know. En mä tiedä. Finally, let's talk about thinking space. When you are thinking of what to say, don't be silent. Use a filler. Finns use tota, like well, or no niin, which can mean almost anything from okay then to here we go. Student, if you are struggling to find a word, what do you say? Tota. Let's do a quick review. I'll give you the scenario, you give me the social glue. You meet a new neighbor. Kiva tavata. They say they like your house. You say, same here, likewise. Kiitos, samoin. You didn't hear what they said. Ask them to repeat. Voisitko toistaa? You are unsure of an answer. En ole varma. I'm not sure, or en tiedä. You need to get past someone on the bus. Anteeksi. Excellent job. You now have the tools to survive a Finnish conversation. You aren't just a student, you are a communicator. Nähdään pian. See you soon.